It is almost impossible to remember everyone that has entered your building every day, especially when it is in need to search for a person in case of emergency. I used to have this problem before, but not anymore. Let me share you my secret. It is the face detection technology. MagEtegra camera with face detection technology auto capture people's face and make your life easier to search them in just 3 simple steps. By selecting time and date, all the faces will be displayed for my convenience. I get to see the many different footage to take further action onwards. This is important because you don't want to make any mistake by simply suspecting people without any proof. Besides, you can only catch what you can see. The next best part about this IP camera is it can be integrated with MagEtegra, the access control software system. By integrating with MagEtegra, you can have the two-way communication and EMAP to pinpoint the alarm event location. My security team is equipped with powerful technology which is great for monitoring and securing our building from the bad people. With MagEtegra, it really does make advanced security simpler for me and my team. I feel peace of mind knowing that I have the best security tools for my building.